I'm gonna hold this two together. I just show you how I want to do this. If you want bigger pieces, my tweezers right there. Oh, my tweezer disappeared, everybody. Maybe I'm using it somewhere. Sorry. Okay, move that one. I'm probably left my tweezers somewhere that I didn't see it, but it's okay. I work with what I have right now. I just want just a bit background, that's all. Great. Okay, so I have this two weaver gel here, crimson red, and it's so shiny. You can see that, how easy and how good it is. And then the magnetic blue. Oh, it's really shiny. All right, so now I will using, okay, I am right here. Right. So usually when you see me do a lot of this with my toothpick, you can also I have to see my hand though. But this time I want to do a single stroke like this. No way I'm gonna get. It's so stringy. It means that it's good because you don't want your string to be disconnected. Can Instagram see it? Yeah. If you want your string to be thin, make sure you pick just a little bit of your weaver gels. If you want thick, then you pick more. So you can control your, however your strings is. It's really stringy. I like that because I needed it. If it's not, then it's not good. All right, let's see. I'm gonna wipe off on the side. And continue to do this one. Great. Okay, now I'm gonna do flash cure for just quick 10 seconds. To just like don't let that string to move, and then I will do the blue on it. Hi Maya. And then now we move into like the blue. Pick your string. Okay, I'm gonna see closer. Makes my string to be a little bit thinner. This one is super easy to work with. I'm gonna do a thinner string. Go that way. Also, if you want to do this one and not in the two color, you want to do pigment again like earlier I did, you can do the white weaver gels and you can add pigments on it. Looks so cool. Okay, so I'm gonna cure this one for 30 seconds. 30 seconds. And then I'm gonna apply the condensed glue gels. I'm gonna move weaver gels. It's really stringy. I absolutely love it because you don't want your string to be disconnected. They have to stay like consistency like this for you to draw a lot of different fun, cool arts. This is two nails right there. And then I am going to using my crystal right there. I kind of like the star though. Maybe it's the stars. They're cool though. Okay, so my condensed glue gel. Oh, hold on. I think off the screen. Here you go. I forgot I leave it too high so you can see it. So right here's really thick density. Just hold your crystals, your charms, and your chains in one place. Just a little bit, if you know exactly where you want to be, like put your crystal, you can just add it on that spot, but I think I'm going to do a lot of crystal on this. But I will do a smaller one. Try to get it all in and a little bit right there. All right. And next we're gonna do, this is the first step of the 3-step methods, and I am going to the second step, which is no wipe top coat. This no wipe top coat and unclear condensed glue gel will really like grip the base of the crystal charm and chain. All right, here's a lot of ideas for this one. If you want to do a centerpiece, stars, you can do centerpiece is like the crimson heart, or you can also do this like Bordeaux's centerpiece. I think so many, or you can even do this crimson perfect drop, or you can do like a really centerpiece of this. You can do so many. I am so obsessed with, or you can get it the piece of crystal from the July 4th. What do you want to see? Do you want to see red? Do you want to see blue? I can do red and blue. I can do everything you want. Does anyone say anything?
There you go, there's the red.
Red? What red you want to see? I'd like you to see that. Both? I will do both red and, but we pick the centerpiece. Which one would you want to see? Star, crimson, red, heart, or short? Which one you want? Oh, this one looks good.
The blue shot.
Both. Both. Okay. Look at that. Is it cute? Or the red? I like them both. Or the red. Which one is that? Blue better. But then we're going to do both blue and red. All right. Blue here. You can do so many, okay? And then try to not getting too much like hang off on the edges because you don't want that crystal to hang off there.
Some star maybe.
And you can either do this star right there. There's a lot of going. I feel like I make it up for this first two nails because this got a lot of cool crystal and like beautiful crystals in here. All right, so I'm gonna do some of this. You pull in. I'm gonna put this in the tray for me. And just get a little bit of red crystal. I'm gonna put red crystal where is the blue strings is, so then it's kind of alternated back and forth to make it looks like I need this really tiny blue. I found tiny blue right there. So I keep shaking it because I have so many crystal right here, so I just need to buy so many of them. Need to find a tiny one. I think it's just I think I could. Like, you can dress this one up with your frames too, if you want to. If you don't want, leave it alone, absolutely fine. And then we're gonna go in with like a precision glue to make sure that crystal will stay like attached to this. It looks really good. It's flow right in the C curve of the nails. Like, all right.